The electric potential at a point xyz is given by V is equal to minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. The electric field at that point is. Now in this question we are given with V is equal to minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. So now we want electric field. We know that electric field is equal to minus del v upon del x I cap plus del v upon del y j cap plus del v upon del z k cap. So this is the electric field in 3D, in 3-dimensional. So now we need to find what is the value of del v upon del x. So del upon del x will be minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. So this represents the partial differentiation, right? So if you use the partial derivative, then with respect to x, so apart from x, everything will be treated as a constant. That means if in this function, if you talk about y will be constant, so minus y will be outside, x square will give you minus x square will give you 2x. Now minus z cube will be constant, this will give you 1, and obviously this will be 0. So this is minus 2xy minus z cube, right? Now similarly del v upon del y will be equal to del upon del y minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. Now interestingly, if you see here, what do I see? That apart from y, everything will be treated as a constant. So here y, so this will give you minus x square into 1. Here no y, so this will give you 0, and obviously constant 4 is going to give you 0. So that will be minus x square, correct? And del v upon del z, so see the function del z minus x square y minus xz cube plus 4. So again, z will be the only variable. Apart from z, everything will be treated as a constant. So here this term will give you 0, minus x as a constant will be outside, z cube will give you 3z square, and of course this 4 is going to give you 0. So minus 3xz square, correct? Now put the values. So if you put the value, then what do you get? Minus this value, minus 2xy minus z cube into I cap plus what is del y, which is minus x square into j cap plus minus 3xz square into k cap. So if you multiply it with the minus, take the minus common from all this, we get 2xy minus z cube I cap minus minus plus, so this will be x square j cap plus 3xz square k cap. So now match the answer, which option is going to be the right choice. So everything 2xy minus z cube I cap plus x square y, so this is the x square term, so this is the x square term only. So 2xyz plus z cube, there will be a plus z cube I cap, so plus term. So this option number 2 is matching here. So this will be the final answer. So option number 2 is your choice. So understand how we are doing this type of question.